Hello guys, welcome back. I am Manish Mittal from SURAJ Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. SURAJ School, where every child is special. Dear students, today I start new topic. My topic is double entry system. It is very important topic for class 1. All accountancy based on double entry system. Dear students, today I teach you how we make the journal entry, rules of journal entry. First of all, account. Account are divided into two parts. First, personal. Second, impersonal. Personal, who belong to the person. Impersonal, who does not belong to the person. Impersonal again divided into two parts. Real account, nominal account. Real account, nominal account. So we can say that accounts are three types: personal, real, and nominal. In personal account, which things include: first one, name of any person, company, firm, institution, bank account, capital account, drawing, debtor, creditor, etc. Again I repeat this: name of any person, company, firm, institution, bank, capital, drawing, debtor, creditor, etc. In real account, cash and all non-current assets and all non-current assets. Non-current assets, example: land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, computer, goodwill, patent, etc. These are included in real account. Nominal account: all expenses and losses all income and gain. Expense means include purchases, wages, salaries, carriage, cartage, etc. Income: sales, rent received, interest received, etc. Dear students, personal account: any person name, just like Ram, Shyam, Mohan, Sohan, Rita, Gita, etc. Company name: X Limited, Y Limited, ABC Limited. Firm name: partnership firm, other firm, business, institution, any school, hospital. Bank account. Here bank means never any bank name. Here bank, for bank account we use for transaction in bank. Bank create two types of account. First is the saving account. Second is the current account. Or for business we open current account. So bank represent current account. Capital, money invested by the owner in commerce. On name of owner never use. For owner we use capital and drawing. If we invest money then we use it capital, and if we withdraw money then we use drawing. Debtor, creditor, etc. In real account, cash and all non-current assets. Non-current assets, land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, computer, goodwill, patent, etc. Nominal account, all expenses and losses, all income and gain. Expense, purchase, different purchase represent expense. Wages, salary, carriage, cartage, insurance, rent paid, commission paid, etc. Income, sales, rent received, interest received, dividend received, commission received, etc. So much example. Dear friends, for journal entry, first of all, we should find out which type of account, personal, real or nominal. Then after, by the rule of the account, we should debit or credit so that we can make a journal entry. Rule of personal account rule. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Means if person is receiving then he will be debit, and if a person is giver then he will be credit. Real account rule. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. If assets comes in then it will be debit, and if assets goes out then it will be credit. Nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. Dear students, personal account rule: debit the receiver, credit the giver. If person is receiving, then he will be debit, and if person is giver, then it will be credit. Real account rule: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. If assets or cash comes in the business, then it will be the debit, and if these are goes out from the business, then it will be credit. Rules of nominal account: debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. All expenses and losses will be debit, and all income and gains will be credit. Dear students, I hope you understand this format. If you understand, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.